Hello, Parnassians. It's me, Magister Beck, and it's Wednesday, so you know what that means. It's another edition of Minute to Win It, and this is week 24, so edition 24. And for this week, I'm going to give you guys two options to do. Since it's March already, right around the corner for FIAD, we'll be doing physical fitness testing again. So we'll have sit-ups, push-ups, shuttle run, mile run, maybe the pacer, but something you can do at home and time yourself for a minute, because that's what we do for physical fitness testing for push-ups and sit-ups, is do push-ups or sit-ups. And you can do both if you want. That'd be awesome, because we're going to have to practice this together, because like I said, in a couple months we'll be testing on it, so you might as well get some practice in. So for sit-ups, you want your legs bent at 90 degrees, or bent like this, and like all the way back. And lots of times you cross your hands over your chest, and when you come up, you touch your knees or your forearms or elbows to your thighs, and they go all the way down. And a good way to do that is dig your heels into the ground, because lots of times when you stick I just learned this actually, when you stick your feet underneath the couch or someone holds them for you, you activate your hip flexors a lot more than your abs. So if you dig your heels into the ground and use a little bit more of your hamstrings, then you use more ab muscles. So they come all the way up and down, all the way up and down. Or you can choose just to do a crunch instead of a sit-up. So you put your hands on the ground, and as you come up, you slide your hands on the ground closer to the heels of your feet, and then go all the way down. So there's two options for abs you can do for 60 seconds to see how many crunches or sit-ups you can do in 60 seconds. And like I said, the other one's a push-up. So instead of having your hands up like this, so your body, your arms are at a T, bring your elbows in a little bit, because it's a lot safer on your shoulder joints. And when you do it, have that nice flat back. Don't want your rear end up or your hips sagging, because I see lots of scholars just going like this or going like this. So get that nice flat back, and then come all the way down so your arms are bent at 90 degrees and up, and see how many you can do in 60 seconds, guys. So for week 24, edition 24, for Minute to Win It, this is what we want you guys to do: push-ups or sit-ups / crunches, and see how many you can do in 60 seconds. And do both of them, guys. That'd be awesome, because like I said, it's March, and right around the corner we'll be doing the physical fitness testing, and those are the two tests we'll be testing on. Hope you guys have a great rest of your weekend and week, and I'll see you guys soon. Have a good one, Parnassians.